What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be pranking my family for Christmas by filling the entire house with kettle corn, much like when Roman Atwood filled his entire house with plastic balls. Yeah, I don't have that type of budget, so don't expect anything like that. Instead, I went down to my local Walmart where they were having a fundraiser for Children's Miracle Network selling popcorn. So I proceeded to buying their whole table out.
You guys got popcorn! Enjoy!
And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as my family's gonna be enjoying that popcorn for quite a while. Yo, why do you have so much popcorn?
My name is Taco.
It's addictive. So it is 4 in the morning. I'm tired and I was hoping Mateo do a thumbnail with popcorn. Hopefully that one blows up like last videos, because last videos did really well. It's blowing up more than the other videos. So
make sure to give this video a big like and subscribe to join the crew. Make sure to click this video next because YouTube thinks you'll like it. God bless you.